我が名はバルカ。お前の名は何だ？尊人。
Alright guys, let's go to tutorial. This edit, add two new clips, one, two, good. This, go to speed, normal, 0.4x, good. This clip, normal, 0.5x, good. This clip, this, go to mask, mirror, rotate, 90, feather, 15, good. This clip, mask, mirror, rotate 90, feather 15. It's good. This clip, drag right. This, drag left. Good. This clip, go to animation, slide right, 0.2 second, good. This, slide left, 0.2 second, it's good. Now add to the pictures, 1, 2, good. This, it's good. Add a new video. Okay. This. Go to mask, mirror, rotate 90, feather 15. It's good. Go to animation, shake down, 0.3 second, good. Add to the pictures with that background, this and this, good. This, split, it's good. Add a new picture with that background, this, Good. This. Now add a new video. Good. It's good. Add a new picture with that background. This. It's good. This point. Add a new picture with that background. This and this. It's good. This. It's good. I see. Good. Now go to effects, video effects, shake, this shake. Okay. Go to adjust, speed maximum, copy the effect. Go to adjust, speed 70, intensity 30. Good. Copy the effect. Go to adjust, speed 50, intensity 20. Copy the effect. Go to adjust, speed 30, intensity 10. Good. Copy the effect. Good. Go to adjust, speed maximum. It's good. Copy the effect. Alright guys, I put this effect for all the clips. Go to effects, video effects, glitch, chromatic. It's good. Copy the effect. Go to replace, nightclub, shake. Good. Copy the effect. Go to replace, glitch, chromosome. Good. Copy the effect. Go to object, all videos, object, all videos, Copy the effect. Go to replace, glitch, chromosome. Copy the effect. It's good. Now go to video effects, lens, sharpen edges, click on object, all videos. Go to video effects, dark, color flicker, good. Click on edges, color 0, glow 0. It's good. Click on edges, vignette 20. It's good. I see the result.
我が名はバルカ。お前の名は何だ？
尊人。